Very good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is rational numbers. So today I am going to take one division class on the topic. So after this class you have the exam. Listen. Whether 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 1 by 6 is equal 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 6. To verify this, first I am taking LHS. What is the left hand side? 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 1 by 6. So 2 by 3 into LCM of 5 and 6, 30. In 5 table, 30 going 6 times. So 3 into 6 minus 1 into 5 is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 5 by 30. So 2 into 18 minus 5, 30 by 3 into 30. 2 ones are 2 15s are. So what is the answer? 13 by 45. The answer of LHS is 13 by 45. Next you have to find the value of RHS. What is RHS? 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 6. Here 2 3s are 6 minus 3 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 6 3s are 18. Any calculations? 3 2s are 3 5s are. 2 1s are 2 9s are. Here LCM 45. 2 into 9 minus 9 5s are 45. 1 into 5. 9 2s are 18 minus 5 by 45 is equal to 15 by 45. So here the value of the LHS and value of the RHS both are equal as divide the sum of 3 by 7 and minus 2 by 7 by the product of 3 by 39 minus 2 by 9. So to find this solution, first I need sum of 3 by 7 and minus 2 by 7 is, sum means add the two terms. 3 by 7 plus minus 2 by 7 is equal to. Now both are like fractions. Why? Because here denominators are equal. So these two are like fractions. Here what is the LCM? 7. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 7. Next I need product of 3 by 13 and minus 2 by 9 is equal to 3 by 13 into minus 2 by 9. It is minus 6 by 117. As per given, what is the given? Sum of 3 by 7 and minus 2 by 7. 3 product of 3 by 13 and minus 2 by 9 is equal. Sum of 3 by 7 and minus 2 by 7 is 1 by 7. By product of this is minus 6 by 1 by 117 is equal, what we can get? 1 by 7 into 117 by minus 6 is equal. What is the answer? 1 by 7 by 42. So the final answer is minus 117 by 42. The final answer minus 117 by 42. One park is there. That park is in the shape of rectangle. What is the length here? 18 3 by 5 meters. And that is nothing but 62 by 3 meters. Now find its area. Length is equal to 18 3 by 5. It is a mixed fraction. Convert as a fraction. What we can add here? 18 into 5 plus 3 by 5. 18 5s are 90. Is 90 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 93 by 5 meters. So length of the park is 93 by 5 meters. Then after what is the breadth here? 6 2 by 3. Now convert as a fraction. 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 20. So 20 by 3 meters. Now I need area of the park. Area of park. Area of park is nothing but area of the rectangle. Why? Because the park is in the shape of rectangle. Length into breadth. What is the length here? 93 by 5 into 20 by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 5 1s are 5 4s are. So what is the answer here? 124 meter square. So area of the given park is 124 meter square. X minus 5. If x is equal 5 by 2 and y is equal minus 3 by 4. X is equal 1 by 4 and y is equal 3 by 2. Solution. In first case, what is the value of x? X is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to minus 3 by 4. Here I am going to use one identity. What is that? A plus b into a minus b. We can write as a square minus b square. Similarly, x plus 5 into x minus 5. We can write as x square minus y square. So what is the value of x here? 5 by 2 whole square. Minus 5 means minus 3 by 4 whole square. 5 by 2 whole square means it is 25 by 4. Minus this 9 by 16. Why? Because power is even number. So even number always gives positive. Is equal to. What is the LCM here? 16. In 4 table, 16 going 4 times. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So what we can write? 25 into 4 minus 9. 20 by 4 is 100 minus 9 by 16 is equal to. What is the answer? 91 by 16. So in second case, what is the value of the x? X is equal 1 by 4 and y is equal to 3 by 2. So x plus y into x minus y is equal x square minus y square. X square means 1 by 4 whole square. Y square means 3 by 2 whole square. Is 1 by 16 minus 9 by 4. LCM of the both 16. 1 minus 9 into 4 is equal 1 minus 36 by 16 is equal minus 35 by 16. So if x is equal 1 by 4 and y is equal 3 by 2. What is the value of the x plus y into x minus y? The value of x plus y into x minus y is minus 35 by